Hello guys, if you are also facing search bar is crashing or closing unexpectedly on Windows 11 and 10, so here is the fix. Right click on start button, choose settings, go to the option troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and here look for search and indexing troubleshoot. Click on run. Choose the first option, can't I start search, and click on next. Windows will not detect an issue and resolve them accordingly. If this method does not work, go to the next phase. Again launch Windows settings. From the left pane, click on personalization, and from the right pane, go to the option taskbar. Click on it, and again search option, turn the toggle button off and again on, and check if your problem is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fix. Go to Windows search, type services, open services app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here go to the option Windows search, right click on it and choose the option restart. Press yes. The next workaround is again open Windows settings. From the left pane, choose the option privacy and security. Click on it, and from the right pane, choose the option search permissions. Click on it, scroll down and you find the option history. Search history on the device, turn once off and again on, and also click on clear device search history. The next method is again launch Windows settings, go to privacy and security and click on the option searching Windows. Here you will find a list of search result, search history. Choose remove option of problematic search. You may clear all history from here. The next workaround through task manager. Open task manager. Here go to the details tab and look for the option searchhost.exe files which is running. Click on it and choose the option end task, and again click on end process, and don't forget to restart your Windows 11 10 system to save the changes. Your problem will definitely resolved. That's all.